What is electron volt? The unit electron volt EV is the energy required to move one electron across a potential difference of 1 volt. The amount of energy required to move one electron through a distance of 1 volt potential is called as electron volt. In other words, the work done to carry one electron through a potential difference of 1 volt is called as 1 electron volt. 1 electron volt is 1 electron charge into 1 volt is equal to charge carried by 1 electron into 1 volt. Charge carried by 1 electron is 1.6022 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs into 1 volt. Coulomb into volt is nothing but joules. This resembles the formula of W is equal to VQ. That is, the work done is equal to charge into potential. So charge units is coulombs, volts or potential units is volts. Coulombs into volts is nothing but the units of work done, which is joules. The purpose of using this electron volt is, if you want to measure very small energy values, then we use electron volt. If you see, joule is a big unit of energy or work done. 1 electron volt is a smaller unit of work done. If you see, 1 electron volt is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19th of 1 joule. So clearly 1 electron volt is far less than 1 joule. If you take this other side, approximately you can write as 1 joule is 10 power 19 times of 1 electron volt. Of course, divided by 1.6 will be there, factor. 1 electron volt is 10 power minus 19th of a joule. That is, when you want to measure minute energies, you cannot use a bigger unit, for example joule. So you have to shift to smaller units, for example electron volt. If you want to measure distance between two cities, you measure in kilometer. But if you want to measure the distance between 2 points inside a small room, then you cannot use, if you use kilometer, it would be 0.00 like that. So you use centimeters. Or if you want to measure distance between 2 points on your notebook, you use centimeter. It is similar to that. Joule is a bigger unit of energy, electron volt is a smaller unit of energy. We can measure small amount of energy in electron volt.